Hey guys, I'm Scott and thanks for stopping by. Hope everything is good where you are. So today we're going to look at harmonizing the major scale, which really means we're going to be making bare bones chords out of our major scale. So to form these chords, or triads as they're known, we start with any note from the major scale, and then we add notes that correspond to the third and fifth notes of that sequence of the major scale. So if we want to harmonize the C major scale, and we want to start with the C major chord, we take the C note, we can add to it a third note, and we can add to it the fifth. Okay, so we have a C, an E, and a G note. Okay, we can do the same thing for the G. You make the G major chord. Very nice sounding chord. So we can play the triads as an arpeggio like we did here, or we could put them on different strings and then we'd be able to strum them. The triads of the C major scale can be played on the three thinnest strings. We can start with the C major. There's going to be a D minor. We're going to have an E minor. We're going to have an F major, G major, an A minor, and then an interesting chord called a diminished chord. That's the B diminished. And then we return to C. So harmonizing the major scale by selecting the various notes using a 1-3-5 interval is a fundamental skill, and it takes a little practice to get comfortable with it. I'm Scott. I hope you found this interesting, and I'll see you next time.